Ivy here. Big goals can make you freeze, even when you care about them. So do not start by asking AI for the whole plan. That often gives you a long list you now have to sort. Instead, let AI turn your big goal into 3 small starting steps. Use this prompt. Here is my goal. Give me 3 small starting steps I can do today or tomorrow. Each step should take less than 30 minutes. Do not give me the full plan yet. Just help me start. That last line is the key. No full plan yet. You are not asking AI to solve the whole thing. You are asking it to make the goal small enough to touch. Then pick the easiest step and do that one. After you move, you can ask for the next 3 steps or turn what you learned into a better plan. Tomorrow, I will show you a simple way to make AI pressure test the first step before you spend real time on it.